All right, everything feeling groovy in the weather world. It's been wet around here, water running everywhere, and big melt off around here the last 10 days since our last 4-foot snowstorm. Today, 50 degrees, higher sun angle here. Early March, doesn't take a lot to start melting that snow off. 48's our average for this time of year. A little bit on the mild side overnight last night at 27. Over the weekend, the Saturday rain, that was 0.4 of an inch, bringing us up to 9.330 inches of moisture since January 1, over 200% of average for this time of year. Okay, today's high temperatures across northern Arizona, central Arizona, 61 in Sedona today. Kind of unusual for Sedona to be cooler than Prescott at 62. It was 52 at the south rim of the canyon, 63 in Winslow today, Payson 60, and just gorgeous down across Sonora and Desert, 72 today in Phoenix. All right, here's a look at our regional satellite. Here we are in Flagstaff. It was mostly clear skies across the northern half of the state today. There were some high clouds flowing across the southern half of Arizona today. Really not a big deal. All out ahead of a storm system due for us midweek. Tomorrow, the warmest day we've seen in quite some time around here, as very mild Pacific air mass continues to pump in out of the southwest. Very El Nino-esque type setup. Look at the storm system out here in the Central Pacific Basin, almost a carbon copy of the one we were looking at late last week that came in on Saturday with a pretty strong subtropical moisture tap. The storm system due for us on Wednesday. Tomorrow, out ahead of it, like I say, a beautiful day. I think we're mostly sunny. This storm system, as it starts to make its way into the west coast, does weaken significantly here as we get into tomorrow afternoon, and by the time it gets to us on Wednesday, it doesn't kind of take a path right into Arizona. It kind of comes in and lifts and goes just a bit over the top of us. What it will do on Wednesday is bring some scattered rain showers, pretty insignificant, a windy day, cooler with a little bit of rain on Wednesday. A stronger, more significant winter type storm system drops right into its place from the north with the cold air and the support to bring us a snowstorm come late week Friday time frame, looking like a 2 to 6 inch type snowstorm with snow down to 6,000 feet. That's Friday. So we have Wednesday wind and rain, Thursday kind of still windy, Friday wind and snow down to 6,000 feet. All right, currently outside 46 degrees. And I was kind of just staring at that backdrop picture here taken from the dome here on campus at NAU, and just notice there's just not a lot of snow on the ground. Just that melting has been really prolific around here. I think, forgot how fast snow can melt here in late February, early March. Currently 46 degrees outside right now in Flagstaff, 27 degrees. Our early morning low temperature here for a quiet overnight. Tomorrow, that warmer day at 57. I would call it a early spring-like day across the area. Okay, here's a look at temperatures elsewhere. Sedona, 69. That would be a significant warm-up from where you were today at 61. Prescott, 65. 65 Payson, 68 Winslow, 80-degree mark down in Phoenix. Here's a look at the extended forecast for us here. That rain and on Wednesday, but notice temperatures still 52 degrees. Rain showers, a windy Wednesday. I think we'll be seeing gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour here in Flagstaff, 50 miles per hour across the Little Colorado River Valley. Thursday, kind of unsettled. Friday, the snowstorm and cooler temperatures. The storm does clear, I should mention, going into a quiet weekend.